Recording na ba? Yeah. Good afternoon, Pinoy Blitzers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And for this video, we are doing a break of DC HeroClix Fight for Gotham. Okay, so we are doing it live in Papi Link's Man Cave. Okay, so we just finished our sealed 2 booster sealed tournament, and yours truly was lucky enough to win it. So congratulations to me. Okay, so now we're continuing it with a break. We have 10 participants as followed: Pete, Angel, Heinz, Tomato, Angel, Ketchup, Conrad, Julian, Jasper, Julian, and Conrad. Okay, as always, we're gonna randomize it and then left to right. Ano yung una? Sa likod, no?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, front. And then at the end, we're gonna raffle off the legacy card. By the way, in the break, in the seal, we got Condiment King.
King Julian!
That was ano?
Mas buhay itong...
Let's see how many times natin i-randomize yung list.
10.
11.
Pwede.
11 ha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Okay. Here's the list. Okay. Julian, Jasper, Conrad, Heinz, Angel, Ketchup, Conrad, Pete, Julian, Tomato, Angel.
Yay!
Okay. Let's go. Good luck to everyone. It's a rainy afternoon as well in Manila. Hindi ka ba nilalamig?
Does it
In
matter?
Manila, hindi ka ba?
Careful lang. Ay, hindi pala.
Okay, number 1, Julian. Woo! So, magbukas sarili mo?
Julian.
Come on.
Julian daw,
Oh,
Julian.
dito ka. Oh. Dito ka eh. Okay, go Julian.
Yeah.
Andy is here. Dito ka.
Tan, ako muntik naman.
Good luck. Congratulations. Ay, teka lang, Bounty. Bounty. Ano yung kanina? Si Cyborg, Batman, Samurai, and sino isa? Sino yung Bounty natin kanina? Batman, Samurai, Cyborg, tsaka
Batman ulit.
hindi na Batman eh. Random na lang. Hindi, si Pig, yung Pig. Si Pig.
Pighead.
Si
Pig.
Dr. Pig. Dr. Pig. Dr. Pig. Sige, go. Okay, go. Good luck.
Hindi yung ginagawa.
Kasi hindi pa lumabas sa kabila eh. So, mataas ang chance.
Uy!
Uy,
Putol!
Uy, Chase!
Chase.
Chase agad, Superman! Hey, palalo! Chase! Julian Putol! Number 1, flying off. Number 2, Jasper. Congrats. Okay.
Ano putol pa na? Putol lang.
Ay, putol. Putol. Superman gusto lumipad. Okay. Congrats, Julian. Number 2 is Jasper. Okay. Ako wala tayong inaasahan na.
Hindi, prime.
Oo naman. SR.
Tsaka one shot actually.
Ay,
Diba? May one shot.
Sino to?
Hindi ako magaling
Assassin.
Sinek mo ba kung may one shot?
Oy, rat! Masaya na ako. May rat ako. Ano to? Scarecrow, Batman, and Nightwing. Gusto ko to. Nightwing.
Sana ganyan lang.
Good. Number 3, Conrad. Baka na.
Wait, check mo kung may one shot.
Ay, nga. Pa-check natin. Conrad's opening, we will check if may one shot.
Yan.
Okay.
Wala.
Okay. Sa iba may one shot?
Oo, sa akin.
Wala one shot. Ano sa'yo? Conrad. Bizarre rare.
Check mo
Check
kung
mo
may
kay Conrad. I may one shot. Heinz, number 4. Number 4, Heinz. Okay, wala pang SR for now. Number 4, Heinz.
one shot. Oh, may one shot.
Lockpick.
Lockpick.
Malakas yan.
Ayaw. Wala pang bata.
Heinz.
Oh.
Penguin.
Penguin.
Fiddledoo. Sino to? Jeremiah Prime. Jeremiah Chase. Jeremiah Christopher Chase.
Okay.
Double Chase, isang Chase, isang Prime. Heinz. Heinz.
Sino yung prime mo?
Yan.
Yan yan, parang Commissioner Gordon. Tama ba?
Hindi ko alam eh. Christopher Chance.
Commissioner.
Parang malakas to. Anyway. Heinz, congratulations. Walang nakakaulit ng set. Lahat Wonder Woman lang ang gusto. Ano ba? Angel, 5 and 6. This is for you, Angel. 1, 5 and 6 slot. Okay? Scott Porter slot. Yan, si Sandy, oh. Alam nyo, ha? Ganun talaga. Surtihan lang tayo niyan, siyempre. Isa pa yan.
90.
Okay.
Hindi pang 90.
$90?
Oh, Rat.
Uy, Ratgo.
Twiddle
Dam.
D. Oh, malaki-laking rat. Si Badger.
Uy,
Oh,
Batman.
Super Rare. Super Rare Batman Samurai. Yes, Bounty. Bounty.
Yeah, maganda.
The question.
Angel one.
Is Angel. Ay, central pen. A1. Angel 2.
90 na lang si Super.
Grabe. Hindi na.
Hindi kasi ano eh. Baka mali to. Angel
A1.
1. So A2. Okay. Let's see. Martian.
100.
Ito ba yung rare?
Diba?
Ito na yung rare.
Ano ba yung rare?
Oo. Penguin na Beast Boy.
Uy, Penguin Beast Boy.
Ano ka mali to?
Saan? Tsura.
You know, may green.
Wala pa. Beast Boy yan?
Beast Boy yan. Ano ba? Kailangan mo yan. Main set. 60 points.
Wala pa.
Scarecrow, Red Hood, and Red Hood. Okay. Lalabas yan. Lalabas. Okay.
Batman Samurai mo.
Bigay ko na kay Conrad yung booster mo.
Lagyan mo Angel.
Thank you. Thank you.
Congrats sa Samurai.
Ang ganda.
Ay, meron kang bounty mamaya after. Ketchup number 7.
Ketchup, you said.
Okay.
So muna.
Ako na mag-ano kay
Ano
Harry.
yan? Si
Ano siya, sumano din eh, no?
Ratgo yan.
Prime eh. Yan, sunod. Oy! Assassin.
Assassin.
Oy! Nangingitim.
Hindi.
Astral.
Oy, pwede.
Martian. Hugo.
Robin.
And? Robbie. Robbie.
Check mo kung may one shot.
Mamaya na.
Ikaw na magbukas sa akin.
Okay, sunod ay
Conrado.
Ay, hindi na.
Conrado.
Conrad.
Ay, naku.
Puta magat.
Ano ba maganda isa?
Sa
Baka animal ba?
Animal Man.
Uy, Animal Man. Wow.
Wow, Animal Man.
Animal?
Oy!
Cyborg.
Cyborg!
Wow!
Yan.
Ayaw, man. Parang 99.
Oh, may Astral
Ay,
Raven to.
ganda.
Okay. Congrats. Bounty.
Ako na.
Cyborg. Mahal nito, parang mga $99.
Parang mabigat
Magkano?
Ilang super na yan? Pangalawa.
Pangalawa.
Tapos meron pa ang bounty.
Binili ko rin yan.
Bili ka ba mamaya?
Sige.
Bili ka.
Yung maganda.
Uy, ano to? Uy, SR.
SR.
Ako yung kay Angel Ward.
Play-Bait
Play-based SRN.
Ako yung kay
Dead man. Not bad. Not bad.
Ako yung kay Angel Ward.
May A1 nakasulat.
Saan?
20 USD.
Pwede na.
Pete, congrats. Maganda. Okay na yan, ha? Not bad.
SR.
Sino?
Playface.
Julian.
Play.
Mawalekta ka na ng mga good ni Clayface. Trade na, ano ba?
Ilan ang SR na?
This is, yan pala, di na sa'yo. 3 na. May chance for 4th.
Pwede na yung sa akin.
Ako, masaya na rin ako.
Kasi cyborg to eh. Magkano yun? 90.
Pwede malakas yun.
Ha?
$20.
Pwede na.
Pwede na.
Okay.
Not bad. Uy! Equipment.
Not good.
Oh, yan na. Si Karate Kid.
Karate Kid. Sa Penguin.
Karabigin.
Okay, congrats, Julian. Equipment.
Batarang.
May, siyempre, equipment yan.
Patarang.
Tomato. Thanks, is you. We're looking for potential port SR. Okay. Raven. Thanks. Raven.
So, Raven.
Okay. Rare Raven.
Ito.
And the last one is Angel Ward. Last slot for you. Don't leave pa guys ha. Meron pa tayong legacy card. This is Angel. You have
Pwede naman sa'yo. Uy, may clay Creator.
Oh, ayun.
Clay
Sino
Creator.
rare?
Dalawa na Clay Creator.
Commissioner Gordon rare. May Commissioner Gordon pala sa set. Oh my god. Hindi ako updated sa aming set. Okay. Congratulations to everyone. We're going to
Pwede na.
do yung break legacy card.
Galing ko to.
Okay, Angel.
Tatlo?
How many times? 4. 1. Layaw.
Muna ng ganyan.
Ha?
1,
Magkano ba yan? 300?
Two.
Magkano?
3,
Ano yan?
and the winner of the legacy card is Ketchup. Okay, Heinz. Yan natin. Baka
Yan.
Condiment King.
Condiment man.
Ano yan? 200?
Max Izu!
Wow!
Okay, so again, thank you very much everyone. Quick and quick break.
Thank you.
And keep safe everyone. It's a bad weather and also bad weather. Bye-bye. Thank you. Mabilisan lang. Stop ko na recording.
Yan, pag ganyan.